Welcome to SimplyTrends, and today let's learn how to explore winning ads, search keyword-related winning ads, and spot next winning product in SimplyTrends as winning ads. You can start exploring real-time winning ads in Explore. Simply click Search, and you are heading to Explore, where SimplyTrends gathers real-time trending winning ads. In every single block, you can not only watch the ad, but also find launch date of the ad and running platforms. You can also view their historical active ads. Hover your mouse to view the trend graph. We collect historical data of ads over time, so that you can anticipate the trend and spot it ahead. Hover your mouse on a spot of the graph, and you can find the number of active ads on that date. So what is active ad? It's a strong indicator that the product is a winning product. You can always hover your mouse on the question mark and find detailed explanation for your business. View previous data on historical trend graph, and you can spot its trend easily. View and download creatives and texts with just a click, and you can have them all effortlessly. Enter a keyword in your mind, and you can start searching winning ads right away. SimplyTrends will capture and display real-time keyword-related winning ads immediately. You can always find ads launch on different date with filters. We provide start time varies from last 1 day to last 7 days. Switch on broad match to find more related results, while you can always view ads sort by numbers of active ads. You can also view their trends easily with the historical trend graph and hover your mouse on the line to view the number of active ad of that date. Of course, you can view and download the creative and text in the same block. With winning ads, you can monetize your ads with creative and text of real-time winning ads and find profitable winning products. Thanks for watching. Find out how to make the best use of SimplyTrends in our tutorial videos.